I'm so tired of the same old lines we rehearse and rhyme but don't believe. Ain't it time that we speak our minds and just realize we're meant to be? Say you want to and we'll leave tonight. Say the word, it's up to you. But I think we both know how these things go. Just say you want to. Now I'm not sure what tomorrow holds, but we'll never know unless we try. So take my hand, baby, don't let go, and with a little hope we'll be alright. Say you want to and we'll leave tonight. Say the word, it's up to you. But I think we both know how these things go. Just say you want to. Say you want to and we'll leave tonight. Say the word, it's up to you. But I think we both know how these things go. Just say you want to. Now I think we both know how these things go. Just say you want to.
There's nothing like your love to get me through the day. There's nothing like your touch to get me carried away. Babe, I know the road's been long, but let us right here. Faith's been strong, stronger than any fear. I'm in love with you and all that you are. I'm in love with you and all that you'll ever be. It's enough for me. It's all that you want. There's something about your eyes, pull me right in. There's something about your smile that made the time end. But when you've held on for so long and let us right here.
Is able to affirm this honor formally, publicly, and in another God. marriage of a man to his wife is a covenant relationship given to us by God Himself. The wedding is one of the most important events of our lives. It is a binding commitment between a man and a woman, and it is to last for a lifetime. Are the two of you ready to assume the obligations and duties before God and pledge your love and your lives to each other?
Yes.
Jacob, do you, Jacob, elect Melissa to be your lovely wedded wife, to love and to cherish, in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, for richer or poor, for better or worse, forsaking all others and keeping yourself only unto each other for as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Do you, Melissa, take Jacob to be your lawfully wedded husband, to love and to cherish, in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, for richer or poor, for better or worse, forsaking all others and keeping yourself only unto each other for as long as you both shall live? Okay. Jacob, please place the ring on Melissa's finger and repeat after me. I, Jacob, take you, Melissa, to be no other than yourself, loving what I know of you, and trusting what I do not yet know. Let this ring always be a reminder of our commitment to each other. Melissa, place the ring on Jacob's finger. I'm Melissa. Take you, Jacob. Be no other than yourself.
Loving what I know.
Of you and trusting what I do not yet know. Let this ring always be a reminder
Always be reminded.
of our commitment to each other. And Jacob and Melissa, having witnessed your vows to be married before God and all who are assembled here by the authority that has been invested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. Ladies and gentlemen, I now present to you Mr. and Miss Jacob Hoover.
It's not the mighty Mississippi, not the sunshine in LA. It's not a snow-capped Rocky Mountain on a warm summer day. It's not the glow of a full moon shining in the night. There's nothing grand about a canyon that holds a candle to your sight. The most beauty that I've seen is you. Is you. It's not a trophy
overdue. It's not a wish that has been granted, but being freed by truth. It's not a winning scratch-off ticket for never needing more. It's not getting through the hard times and being better than before. Nothing beats the feeling, so nothing else will do. The best thing that's ever happened is you. Is you.
Everything's finally right. The dark made peace with the light. I'm gonna love you tonight, like the land meets the dawn. Lay down our demons and rest in this midnight holiness. Something so honest and raw. Would you come be my only one? All I want is a promise. Lay it down. All our crowns, I wanna let love be our legacy. I wanna let love be the enemy. Let it come, fire or flood. I wanna let love be our legacy. I wanna let love be the enemy. Giving my fear to the dust and let it unfold how it wants. Ring out the trouble in us till all